Palomar Airport information, Delta time 2059 Zulu, wind 2704, visibility 10, skies clear, temperature 21, dew point 4, altimeter 3019er. ILS runway 24 approach in use, hazardous weather for Southern California, available on high WASP flight service frequencies. Read back, hold short instructions with runway number call center taxiway. Advise on initial contact. You have ATIS information, Delta.
Check, there we go. Alright, you can hear me?
Palomar Airport information, Delta
I can hear
time 2059 Zulu, wind 2704.
2704.
Visibility 10, skies clear, temperature 21, dew point 4, altimeter 3019er. ILS runway 24 approach in use, hazardous weather for Southern California, available on high WASP flight service frequencies. Read back, hold short instructions with runway number call center taxiway. Advise on initial contact. You have ATIS information, Delta.
Alright, we have ATIS information, Delta.
Information, Delta time 2059 Zulu, wind 2704, visibility 10, skies clear.
5870 Papa, I have traffic 3 o'clock. Is that what I'm supposed to follow? November 70 Papa, negative. They're still heading to right, probably.
Palomar ground, Cessna 4629er Delta at +1, taxi with Delta.
November 4629er Delta, Palomar ground, runway 24, taxi via Alpha.
Via Alpha for runway 2429er Delta. Packed in here like sardines. Alright, so remember how we get in here. If you're really warm, you can open your window.
Traffic, 2 o'clock, high, 1 mile.
That's loud.
Palomar ground, summer 1 for 5 whiskey, clear of 24 Alpha 4 for Magellan. Summer 1 for 5 whiskey, Palomar ground, taxi to Magellan via Alpha. Magellan via Alpha, 5 whiskey.
Alright, we're clear on the left, clear on the right. Taxi. That's a G6, like the song.
Traffic, 11 o'clock. Traffic, 12 o'clock.
Cessna 63000 is at +1, like to taxi to North Fuel Farm 000.
Cessna 63000 Palomar ground, the north side fuel is out of service, say intentions.
At 000, is there any self-serve fuel at the field besides that?
Cessna 000 negative.
That was the airplane behind us, Cessna 000. When we were leaving.
Right. Jet source 10 000.
Cessna 000, roger, and you're coming out +1, you said?
Hey, firm 000.
Cessna 000, roger. For now, hold short of taxiway Alpha.
Short of taxiway Alpha 000.
It's kind of cut off. Just verify hold short of Alpha.
Hold short, taxiway Alpha 000.
Alright, now we're just going to test everything and make sure it works before we go.
Roger that.
Alright, seat belts and harnesses are secure. Flaps are up. Heats are good. Avionics, we got to switch over to tower. Whoops, why do I always do that?
Once you join the downwind, extend traffic to Falls Beach Sierra.
Once we're in the air, we're going to be on 12275, so we'll switch over to comp 2.
Extending downwind.
Woo, Christmas tree. Got ATIS AWAS, altimeter set, transponder set,
frequency
ADSB is on, radios tested, taxi license required, brakes test, altitude turn coordinator. Fuel is on both, trim is set for takeoff, flight controls. Are free and correct. Flying it, we're only going to do like little tiny movements, nothing like that. It's a very easy to fly airplane. Turn coordinator, HSI. Primers in and locked, instruments are set. Mixture best power. We're going to throttle up.
Negative traffic, 08 Alpha.
08 Alpha, they're no factor, half mile final now, base here
test the
discretion,
magnetos.
12507, runway 24, clear to land.
24, clear to land, 5808 Alpha.
Left and right magnetos, good. Carburetor heat, wait for that, vacuum's in the green. Ammeter. Got a positive rate of charge. Oil pressure is good, oil temperature is good, and we'll do an idle check. All good. Alright, so you just want to make sure you don't hit anything by accident, you know, like make sure your feet are clear of those pedals, and like this knob right here, that'll shut the engine off.
Palomar Tower, 587,
shit like that.
holding short of runway 24 at November.
Gotcha.
Like to stay in closed traffic.
Can you hold the brakes? The top of the pedals, just press on both.
Both of them?
Yeah, both pedals.
November 587 Sierra Papa, traffic.
You don't have to hold it hard.
Runway 24, clear for takeoff, right close traffic.
What the fuck?
587 Sierra Papa, cleared for takeoff into right closed traffic.
Alright, I got him.
Palomar Tower, Lights, Force Link 16 Tango Whiskey with you, 3,800 descending with Delta.
November 168 Tango Whiskey Palomar Tower, make right traffic for runway 24.
Right traffic for runway 24, 168 Tango Whiskey.
Palomar Tower, Cessna 4629er Delta is ready to go at 24. And we'll be Alpha South.
November 29 Delta Palomar Tower, roger on request.
29er Delta is holding short of runway 24 for Alpha South.
November 29 Delta, roger.
What do you say at your own request?
Tower bearing 421 Bravo Juliet is ready for takeoff, northbound departure.
November 421 Bravo Juliet Palomar Tower, you'll be number 2 for departure.
1 Bravo Juliet.
Lights are on.
November 29 Delta, runway 24, line up away, traffic joining an 8-mile final is a citation.
Line up and wait, runway 24, 29er Delta. Alright. Feet, everything clear of the pedals? You feeling good?
November 08 Alpha, left turn, ground 121.8, good day.
121.85808 Alpha.
November
November 29 Delta, northbound at the shore is approved, wind 260 at 9, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24. Any way we could change that to an Alpha South?
November 29 Delta, approved.
Airspeed's alive.
November 1 Bravo Julie, runway 24, line up away, traffic, 7 mile final citation.
Line up and wait for runway 24, 1 Bravo Juliet, it'll be an Alpha North departure.
Roger that.
All right, here we go.
At 7, frequency change. Air at 7, frequency change approved. Only traffic is 12 o'clock, about a half mile offshore, 1,200 indicated.
Looking for the traffic, pictures, but thanks up.
November 1 Bravo Juliet, traffic in the upwind's going to be a southbound turn at the shore, northbound's approved, wind 240 at 9, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 24, 1 Bravo Juliet.
Tower 29er Delta, we actually requested Alpha North, is that possible?
November 29 Delta, you wanted a right turn at the shore now?
That's affirmative, 29er Delta.
November 29 Delta, approved as requested.
Palomar Tower, Comanche 5, Truckaway, Papa, 24.
November
Traffic,
588,
6 o'clock,
Palomar
low,
Tower,
less than 1 mile.
Roger, we're ready to roll. Takeoff 24. Hotel Victor, practice ILS, full stop.
November 525, Hotel Victor, Palomar Tower, runway 24, good line.
Clear to land on 24. Hotel
All right, we're just going to level off here at 1,000 feet.
Palomar Tower, Seneca 32, Tanner, Quebec, in line for departure, right downwind.
November 3229,
Traffic,
Quebec,
5
Palomar Tower,
o'clock,
roger on
same
request.
altitude, less than 1 mile.
Palomar Tower, 1 Bravo Juliet. Send down, traffic to follow is ahead and to your right, 1,500 citation.
Papa 5870, Papa, looking for traffic. 3,008 miles an hour.
November 88, Papa, runway 24, clear
If
for
you see
takeoff.
another airplane, just let me
3 mile
know.
finals of citation,
Point at it.
12608.
Roger, clear for takeoff 24.
November 29 Delta, traffic off your right, above you now, 1,500 is also going to be northbound at the shore. Then there's additional traffic, 12 o'clock, a mile and a half, 2,100 talking to SoCal. They're about 2 miles offshore, 172.
We're looking for both of those targets, thanks, 29er Delta.
November 7 Sierra Papa, base turn approved. Number 2, wind 2508, runway 24, clear to land, caution wake turbulence from the citation.
5870, Papa, clear to land. Like to make this a full stop this time.
November 1 Bravo Juliet, traffic alert, traffic 12 o'clock, a mile, 2,100 talking to SoCal. They are northbound as well.
Looking for it, 1 Bravo Juliet.
Number 1 Bravo Juliet, looks like they're going to stay off your left now. They're showing 110, so you're well faster than them. Should be no factor for you as you turn northbound.
Good day.
600, November 29 Delta, frequency change approved. Good day.
Good day.
This is White Cessna, over Lake Echo at
Palomar Tower, 113 Bravo.
headed to southbound. Stop Diego.
San Diego Coastal, Cessna 29er Delta, 2 miles south of the Oceanside Pier, 1,000 feet. We're going to be maneuvering around the Oceanside Pier at about 1,000 feet, 29er Delta.
San Diego Coastal, 2 Super Cubs at the Children's Pool off La Jolla, southbound.
Hear a lot of static.
So whenever you travel 1,500 feet, what's the indication? San Diego Coastal, 29er Delta, over the Oceanside Pier, 900
like we got another airplane coming out from the side there. I have no idea what the fuck is going on with this thing right now. That airplane is going to basically make us turn around here.
Traffic, 1 o'clock. Same altitude, 1 mile.
There's that muddy water. Alright, we gotta go back over to Palomar.
November 29 Quebec, runway 24, clear takeoff. Quebec, roll. November 8 Tango Whiskey. And then instructions, just continue.
What the fuck?
Make a half mile, show 1,500.
Traffic, 7 o'clock. Low, less than 1 mile.
Oh boy. He's going right under us, isn't he? I can't hear shit, dude.
2 mile final, runway 24, clear takeoff. November 95 Mike, thank you, appreciate the heads up.
Palomar Tower, Cessna 29er Delta, transit from the coast north to south.
Turn approved, number 2, runway 24, clear to land.
Fuck.
Please turn approved, number 2, clear to land, 24, November 1 Tango Whiskey.
November 3 Bravo Alpha, 12407, runway 24, clear to land.
I think I just talked over him.
Runway 24, 3 Bravo Alpha, let me do some correction pattern.
Roger. And the aircraft calling for the transition up to Palomar Altimeter 3018, ident and say call sign.
Cessna 29er Delta will be 1,100 feet along the coast. Delta, say again.
Did you want tangos or full stop taxbacks? One or the other options?
What the fuck? We have no fucking radio right now.
Well above you, altitude indicates 3,900, good day.
The audio on the GoPro is going to be fucked.
XOJ 536 Palomar Tower, runway 24, clear to land, wind 240 at 8. Clear land 24, XOJ 536. And XOJ 536, if you can start reducing speed, traffic falls a mile and a half, final to light port. They're only showing 70 knots over the ground.
Roger, we'll do in clear to land. How you feeling? Good?
November 08 Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock a mile. 900.
What is it, just very staticky right now?
Along the shore. Should pass off your left.
I think you're right Alpha has coming today.
It's like the squelch is broken. I don't,
November 41757 Palomar Tower again. November 08 Alpha, contact Delta departure 127.3, good day. November 757, make straight in runway 24.
Palomar Tower. This is Cessna 29er Delta. We just transitioned the coast to the south. We're having a little bit of a radio problem, and I'd like to come in and maybe land and check it out.
November 29 Delta, make left traffic for runway 24.
Left traffic for runway 24, 29er Delta, thank you. I can't fly like this. We'll go land, fuck with it, come back.
November 8 Tango Whiskey, ground point 8, good day. Ground point 8, what's the Tango Whiskey?
Jet 500, visual, bring you about 6 miles.
Jet 500, Palomar Tower, runway 24, clear land 12408.
24 clear land, Jet 500.
November 3 Bravo Alpha, stand down, traffic to fall, 5 mile final to citation 2009.
Gotta climb up a little bit to be able to land, kind of funny, huh?
November 29 Delta, you're gonna follow traffic 12 to 1 o'clock. On the right, on the left down, 1,400 to Cessna.
That water's so brown. Looking for the traffic, 29er Delta. On west down.
757, I'm in instructions, just fly southbound, so about left turn about 15 degrees or so, and square rate to final. That'll give you on about a 5 mile right base.
I don't see anybody on left down.
Real cool. Exit Jet 536, left turn, ground 121.8 today.
Left turn, point 8, exit Jet 536, good day.
Oh, now it works. 29er Delta, we still don't have the traffic in sight. Are they still on that one?
November 29 Delta, yeah, they're going to follow traffic, citation 2.5 mile final.
Roger that, 29 Delta.
November 3 Bravo Alpha, citation follows, ahead and to your left, half mile or so, 1,600.
Traffic in sight, 3 Bravo Alpha.
Did you see
November
it?
3 Bravo Alpha, follow them. Number 2, runway 24, clear to land, wind 2305.
Number 2, clear to land 24, 3 Bravo Alpha.
Alright, pre-landing checklist. Oh, there he is. As he puts his wing up, you can see him. Wow. So when he passes on us on the left, then we can turn in and land. Traffic in sight for 29er Delta.
November 29 Delta, the traffic's on left base, you're number 3, runway 24, clear to land, wind 2107.
Number 3, following the traffic for runway 24, Cessna 29er Delta.
Okay, November 3 Bravo Alpha, runway 24, clear for the option. I can't remember if I cleared you for the option.
Clear for the option, 3 Bravo Alpha.
I don't know, it's weird, the radio is perfectly fine right now.
November 757, if you can maintain slowest practical speed, you're going to follow Cessna on the left down, approaching a mile and a half left base.
You said speed up, 757?
Negative, if you can't slow down.
Roger, I'll slow down, 757.
Thank you, appreciate the help. November 29 Delta, turn base, you're inside of traffic, 4 mile final, runway 24, clear to land.
Turn in base for 29er Delta, clear to land.
Gamma Jet 500, ground point 8, good day.
Point 8, Gamma Jet 500.
Huh, that guy must have came in and landed already. I don't see him. Carb heat on, mixture full, rich, lights. And we start a nice little descent. Dude, if the radio works here, but it doesn't work in the air, I don't really know how the fuck I'm supposed to test it. Would this be too short of a flight for you if we ended it? It's alright, I mean... Does it normally do that?
November 757, traffic falls about
I can't hear anything.
Ahead on
it's
the
dangerous.
Now, number 3, runway 24, clear for the option, wind 2207.
Really dangerous.
Having insight, number 3, runway 24,
but
clear.
the thing is that it sounds fine now. So, you know? Alright, hands and feet clear.
November 3 Bravo Alpha, did you want to make left close traffic, or do you prefer that?
Left or right, 5-3 Bravo Alpha.
November 3 Bravo Alpha, remain in right close traffic then.
Right close traffic, 3 Bravo Alpha, this way full stop.
Roger that. November 29 Delta, left turn at midfield, ground 121.8. Have a good day.
Left turn Alpha 1400 Delta. You're not allowed
And
to
actually,
post that
where are you
landing.
going to go to parking?
We're going to troubleshoot the radio here for a second. I think we're probably going to do that at parking, so yeah, back to +1.
November 29 Delta, roger. You can just taxi Alpha to +1 and remain with me. Have a good day.
Alright, we'll remain with you, 29 Delta. Thanks for the help. What a shit landing that was. I've only landed this airplane like, alright, no excuses.
525 Charlie Delta, Atlantic taxi forward departure.
Alright, mixture.
In November 5 Charlie Delta, Palomar ground runway, or Palomar Tower runway 24 taxi via Alpha.
24 via Alpha, 5 Charlie Delta.
I don't know what to do about the radio.
November 5 Charlie Delta, pass behind the Cessna, just started moving.
Got it, thank you, we will, 5 Charlie Delta.
Thank you. November 3 Bravo Alpha, runway 24, clear to land, wind 24006.
Clear to land, runway 24, 3 Bravo Alpha.
That was a shit flight, dude. What the fuck? Is what it is. Alright, so we came out of over here. This is a new parking area, so.
November 757, make right close traffic.
Make right close traffic, 757.
Charlie Delta, we'll be ready for departure when you guys are.
525 Charlie Delta, Palomar Tower, roger, just awaiting release of SoCal.
Thanks.
Palomar Tower, Cessna 63000 is holding short of runway 24, Alpha 1, left downwind departure, 000.
Cessna 63000, Palomar Tower, roger, on request.
Alright.
Traffic, 4 o'clock.
Let's figure this shit out. This thing does not turn very tight.
Traffic, 11 o'clock. Same altitude, less than 1 mile.
We're on the fucking ground, dumbass.
November 5 Charlie Delta, runway 24.